wakwaba and found Bragan and Sam TVGH so what friend me Adjoa searching.
Ashanti region today. Yaya hospital say we are. Mami kasa sem na mi komeni. Yada said Ashanti regional minister. Freddie amo mo hwa na mo yade man. Run up to 2024. And before your project, be a friend of Vamet project. Vamet project.
Okay.
Vamet project no I 12. Asante Mantem ha yenya 5. 5 fa yenya Asante region baako o drop on so. Baako o swame. Baako o sabronum.
Good.
Baako o manson kwanta. Ana baako so wen kra. Mrefi F5. Ni nyina so yeko ho.
Twede mo sa do bi ni wa.
Baako twede. Baako twede. Why are baako twede? Baako twede. Clementino, the OBS team ye to facility ni nyina. Ye ko ho nyina. Baby amanko bi e baako. Eye so ame no so fredi ade ye dey. Slow ne ko. Esophagus. Ana spinal cord. Spinal cord na ko. No ne bi. Tino, me am me ko ho. Baby am ko bi as mini DC ne ko e. Me ko drop so many Amadi Sule on the DC.
Yeah.
Menene koy.
Let's have no mana.
Yeah. Right up to 2024.
Yes.
Menene ko facility. It's a 40-bed facility. Bibia wo hobi. Enso ye adwuma. Ye do baby am say that chaza. Ko na say that ko so say pipe ba. Ye do so rough. Onim tiri. Ye bie pipe. Baby okra pipe no. O ma quality so say nyina ye de. Ye adwuma. Empa theater wine masi bibia wom Vamet project no me call drop so mini DC honorable Amadi Sule eko ho me call Manson Kwanta your friend Addo ana your friend Oscar Addo DC our Manson Kwanta or baby shia me ho ma menene call facility no Vamet project to Manson Kwanta me call for no southeast yako hospital no sabronum many me Thomas Owusu answer DC and the koye ko ne him fabum me ko traded here on a trade right me ko trade here many me Prince Kakari DC and the koye so me dia na me kura man ko bi me friend Maxwell Boache former MC any need nkomo Tino ukọ facility ni nyina bibia ho no ma ye bia no wo mo commission ye enye project a ye beka se bia baby ti se omukọ sewia de omukọ bia no contract kwa ka se yenwie no Tino many MPP ato aba we marry. I'm appealing to the Minister of Health and the Ashanti Regional Minister who happens to be a medical practitioner. We a doctor ni Frank Amwako hine doctor. Yada seremu. This 5 Vamet project district hospital MPP riye di bi bia gumu ansa na omoyede omoko. Please. Na mostly the media me pede said, "Dia me mako hu na me kan wanya di obi ka kire bi o." I've been there. Contractors no, I hand over keys. And your ma, your friend is saying, DCs and MCs or more at that time. Please, it's been 5 months. Busumi numni ya to abawi MPP NDC aba. Please, we are appealing to the Minister of Health, Honorable Kwabena Mintakando, the Ashanti Regional Minister, Dr. Frank Amwako Hinenom. Vamet project na MPP for year or my viewing na amphiniogum be a carpet in Nasa form. First, 1 o'clock in United, Ebowa, and it's a year. Yabesamo. Baby and Bikobia, BBI said, what is happening to the Vamet project? What has happened to the Vamet project? Argentina until today, 5 months on, Vamet project na MPP for year no enye adwuma. Please. I'm only asking questions.
Okay.
And some misana maybe the Ashanti Regional Minister, the Minister of Health, as a matter of urgency, must address us. And you come as
okay. Ghana
omunya 12.
Okay.
But Asante Mantambo, you are hinting at Bibisa Sassy.
Num okay.
Or Mama Metre, the Intia Sabri, the Vamet project in Amphidian Gumbusuminum. I didn't see any Juma.
Be a time factor, and I know the info.
I didn't see any Juma. Time factor. I didn't see any Master Manano. Okay. You know, almost share. So, actually,
Corona by Mamo Kaino. Ebe expose yen. Emma vaccine who be ye controversy bebre and a buy. Sometime na honorable Ajima Menu and an ye health minister at that time. Ulumen yanko bra Mrs. Satan yen Canada for crown yen vaccine even though. It's me firstly I may say Nana Akuffo has secured 20 million vaccines. Let me say, hey, walk off my 20 million vaccine. No, say yampa. Sane yampa. And a yama a sukon maybe an nimsa dre bansem. Dining hall prefect Jimmy Phobia was swore cocoa as went to me and yida. Ebe kachre and say, Ajima men we a cron for na we ska. Now, what advances come will be wabra yenya sebe the product. Ye disca koto ambulance, ye didn't through a brain. There was nothing wrong for Akando to talk about. Vaccine and ye bino. No mutia Captain Smart no moka. Monkona monkoka say, and a vaccine wa obedani or what Satana or Angel TV, say Angel FM. Wa, obedani or what and more women at the ade. Nyankopon good anymore as na de minim de one Muhammad e de nkomo na Muhammad ko wo ye ansa na NDC for hukum but still na kwabra meta kando e fight here make agenda 111 or say it is never true. I'm the ranking member on health. Obi, I sit here as the ranking member now. Obi su Jimmy. Oh, honorable, I know, and you know he's lying, but the idea mounty Obi also Fumoko wakana nwatu. And I'm in can do it wrong. It is never true. It is never true. Obi, what the next week come back? Because almost say agenda 111. I hear no my me came. Na afei na ya announce first grand near see 88. Near see 88. And a chain your koya uni na by news said we need more than the day, more than the 88. In a bay 111. And I went hey omo and I can't know about power. The same product now, almost the year campaign TI and say, Yenya agenda 111 be almost bois, MPP for bois, a yetro in 3 months. I can't do it maybe 30 agenda 111 commission. In 3 months. In 3 months, I approve Kwabena Minta Kando as health minister. No, well, to me, I see agenda 111 no, a mum maku 30 a commission. That's it. Adia na any hono. Agenda 111 na yet trono. Oba them wetumi akọ commission. Wetumi akọ commission. Nobody's asking anything. Okay, this is the time I can move and say, honorable, Okasa agenda 111 enye no kre. Na say dia o commission no, oba your blocks are here we are not asking that. We are not asking that. We are not. Now, dia a boom abem